Today I'm going to show you the Hyatt Regency in Milwaukee. First off, here is the bathroom. I don't know if you can see it, but it's extremely small. I feel like even if I end up using the bathroom, it's just, there's not going to be much space at all. But in the bathroom, there's only 2 towels, 2 hand towels, and 2 washcloths. So if you're one that wants a whole bunch of towels, honestly, I feel like you probably need to request them when you check in. But if you look into the shower, it's really just a standard shower. Not much to it, not many bells and whistles, but you got a bathroom that has just the standard basics. So here is the bathroom. The closet, which has the ironing board, hangers if you want to hang your belongings. Nothing special there. The room type that we have selected is a standard king size room. On this nightstand, we got a remote control in this little packaging, I guess, just to make sure that it is clean, as well as this super old school phone that they have here. And they do have a couple outlets here if you want to charge your phone. Let's not forget the mirror. They got that here too. And on this nightstand, we have a digital clock as well with a couple outlets for you to charge your electronics too. The TV, they got an LG TV, as well as a fridge. Looks pretty sizable. It looks if you have bottles for drinks, takeout boxes, stuff like that, you'd be able to put it inside this fridge. And they do give you complimentary bottles of water as well. When we ended up checking in, they gave us another 2, which I really liked. Actually, I'm about to put those 2 in the fridge so that they're cold. So we got our 4 bottles of water. Drawers, they have, let's see here, a lockbox if you want to put your personal belongings in here. They got that. They have this really nice workspace, another old-fashioned phone for you, and this chair, I must say, is super comfy. So if you do end up working, you will be at ease being able to work at your desk and sit in comfort. And let's look at the view. We have a city view. We're on the 11th floor. And you'll be able to take in some of the sights of Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Overall, I feel that the room is really just a standard room that you're able to get in the heart of downtown Milwaukee. So if you're in the area, the prices were pretty affordable. I would say you're at the Hyatt Regency in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. So if you are in the area, definitely come and check it out. Thanks for watching.